Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the swab kit to screen your soil for lead. First, you're going to need a test tube. Notice how there's a line here. This is to show you the amount of water necessary for the experiment. Second, you're going to need the swab that is dipped in sodium rhodizonate. Third, you are going to need a pH strip, and fourth, a pail filled with glycine hydrochloride. You are also going to need water and soil. Here I have my soil dried in a plastic container, but you can scoop up your soil straight from the ground. In order to do that, you are going to use the cap provided in your test tube. Please first take the cap out of the test tube, and then you are going to use the cap as a scoop for your soil. Before doing that, please take the twigs and small rocks out of the soil. We don't want that impacting the experiment. Scoop all of the soil up to the natural mark of the cap, and once you have approximately 0.5 milligrams of soil, please add that into your test tube. It should be more or less this amount of soil. Our second step will be adding water into the test tube. Here I have water in a beaker, but you can use tap water or any water that you have available to you. Please fill the test tube up until the marking on the tape, and you will have approximately 5 milliliters of water. And for a third step, you are going to add the pill with the glycine hydrochloride inside the test tube. Please leave the pill in contact with the water for 5 minutes before the next step. After 5 minutes, you are going to notice that the pill is partially dissolved into the water. That is when you are going to shake the solution and the soil for 30 seconds. While shaking, it is really important to notice if there is gas building up inside your solution. If that is the case, please uncap your tube to let all the gas escape and then go back into shaking. Do this as many times as necessary so all the gas can escape. After you ensure that the soil, the water, and the glycine are well mixed, please leave the solution to rest for 45 minutes. After the 45 minutes pass, you are going to repeat the step, shaking the solution and mixing it for 30 seconds. This time, you are going to let the solution rest for 15 minutes only. Once the resting period is over, you are going to insert your swab into the testing tube solution for 30 seconds. You can notice that the color of the swab is already changing here, but don't make the reading until the 30 seconds has been finished. Read your results under a white paper, and you can see here that this is very much positive because it is very purple. If there is any signs of pink in the tip of your swab, that means that your test is positive. In our last step, we are going to quickly introduce the pH strip into our solution. If the result comes pink or darker, it means that your pH is lower than 3, which means you can trust the results from your lead screening.